Part 5, How to Do Reading Response 2. You can find the instructions for this assignment on page 12 in the syllabus, but basically what you're being asked to do is take the two sources that you found for your supporting a position with sources essay and evaluate these sources based on their credibility. And there's two places in the textbook that will help you with this and that are very important for doing well on the assignment. One is to look at the sample on page 481 in chapter 28. So I want you to see how in this sample they use their MLA header, they have a title, and then they put the full and complete works cited citation right at the beginning. Then in the remaining paragraphs that you see here, they're evaluating the credibility of their source. Here they have the relevance of the source, the reliability of it, author credibility, timeliness, etc. Now, I don't care if you have 4 paragraphs here or if you're able to do all of this information in one. That's great, that's fine. But what I really want to see, and what's important to me, is to see you use this checklist, the source evaluation checklist, in the quick research guide under section D. I want to see you addressing kind of each of these sections essentially. So who the author is, kind of what about the source, is it biased, is it not, when was it published, where did you kind of find it, why are you choosing it over other sources, and then how it's going to help you in your research paper. So I want to see you address each of these sections in your evaluation paragraph or paragraphs that comes after the citation. Okay, so you don't have to answer every single question that's listed here for each source, but I do want to see you hit on at least the who, the what, the when, the where, the why, and the how. Okay, if that makes sense. All right, to help you with your citations, because we haven't covered them a whole lot in depth, but you do see them in that quick research reference guide under section E1, so that can help you. But there's also additional citation information under student resources. The Purdue Online Writing Lab has a great website, and I've also published some additional citation resources for you here. All right, if you have any questions on this assignment, don't hesitate to email me or reach out to me.